Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can clean your drives in your laptop or PC like local drive C. If you want to increase space or memory in your local drive C, for this you have to right click on your local drive C or drive you want to clean. After that you will find use space and free space in your local drive disk, and if you click on disk cleanup, then it will show you all the unnecessary files and the files you can easily delete. You can choose the file you want to delete, the files which are not necessary and like offline web pages you can, and recycle bin data, you can easily delete them and improve your local disk drive memory and also speed. After clicking all your things you want to delete, you have to click OK. The window will check all the files which you want to delete, and it will check how much space it can save by deleting all the unnecessary files. After that, window has calculated the size of all the unnecessary files which can be deleted. Then you can click on delete files after that, so that the window can delete all the unnecessary files from your local drive C. As you can see in the video, the window is deleting all the unnecessary files to improve the performance of your local disk drive C. And also, if you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.